Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share a quick review of these amazing Korean lip glosses that I ordered from Daraz. We've got 5 beautiful shades nudes and bolds, let's dive right in. So in this set, we've got a mix of nude and bold shades. I love that these glosses can take you from a natural daytime look to something more dramatic for the evening. They come in this super cute packaging too. Let's try them. First up, we have this lovely nude shade. It's perfect for an everyday, subtle vibe. Next up is this soft pink gloss, really flattering and great for a fresh, youthful look. Now, the third gloss is a slightly darker pink. It's richer than the last one but still wearable for day or night. The fourth shade has more of a brownish tone, which gives a nice warm, earthy vibe, great for autumn or if you prefer a more neutral lip. And finally, we've got the darkest pink in the set. This one is bold but still has that glossy, hydrating finish that doesn't overpower the lips. For swatches, you can watch my Instagram reel. Link in my bio. Now onto the lip oil. I've been loving this lately. It's super hydrating and gives a nice glossy, plumped up look without any stickiness. It's perfect for layering under the gloss or even wearing on its own for a natural, nourished look. The moisture lasts all day, which is amazing for dry lips. I have uploaded a short Korean plump lips tutorial on my TikTok account. I have also uploaded the videos on Korean lip care routine. That's it for today's review. I hope this helped you get a feel for these Korean lip glosses and lip oil. If you want to check them out, the links are available in my bio and on my Linktree. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty reviews. See you in the next video.